Hey Andy, it's Alex over at Larry Miller Volkswagen. How are you doing today? I wanted to just take a moment, introduce myself, and so you can see who I look, what I am, or look how I look, and I'm just not a face on the other side of the computer screen or on the phone. So anyways, I wanted to show you the Passat TDI SEL Premium that you requested in silver with the black interior. I have it right here behind me. Actually have it on so you can hear it, and I've also got the Fender speaker system on right now too, so you can get to hear that. So quality of the sound might not be great over my iPhone, but I can guarantee you when you come down here and drive it, you'll really feel the difference. So here it is. It's the silver Passat SEL Premium TDI. Absolutely love this car. It's a great car. Your gas mileage is going to be absolutely amazing. You will be amazed. I just bought a Jetta TDI myself, and my gas mileage is phenomenal. And I got a brand new one, and I'm already averaging about 43 miles per the gallon. And by the time it's broken in, I should be getting close to 50. So as you can see, it's a beautiful car, great car. Don't know if you have the opportunity to drive it yet, but I would love to invite you down here to drive this one. This is exactly what you're looking for. And a quick shot of the interior. As you know, this car has an endless list of features that just make it really fun to drive. And then it's a Volkswagen, so of course it's made to be fun to drive. So again, Alex Perkins at Larry Miller Volkswagen. Give me a call, Andy, at 480-677-0896, or email me. I really look forward to hearing from you. I can guarantee you a great deal. Also, we do have the lowest sales tax, and we've got some great promotions right now for the end of the month. So if you can come down this week, I can guarantee you to save you money. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.